This looks like grass, doesn't it? It's beautiful, but what if I told you it's not grass, it's a plant, and it actually uses about half the water of grass. We're in Southern Highlands, which is within Southern Nevada, and the community here, the association here, invited us out to take a look at what's called Kurapia. Kurapia is a plant that is approved on our rebate list. We just added it recently. You can go to SNWA.com if you have grass that qualifies for our Water Smart Landscapes rebate. You can get a rebate to install this as a grass alternative in your yard. And this is the biggest piece of Kurapia that I've seen. You're looking at 3,500 square feet. It established itself in the dead of summer in Las Vegas, and it looks awesome. And again, we will provide you a rebate to install this. There's a law now that requires non-functional grass be removed or replaced by 2027. It can no longer be irrigated with our community water supply. So a lot of communities and HOAs and businesses, they're looking for alternatives. You can use artificial grass if you want, but if you want that feel of grass and still do your part to conserve, Kurapia is an amazing option. Again, I've seen a lot of grass conversions. Me personally, working for the Water Authority for the last 5 years, I'm born and raised a Vegas native, and this is really impressive to me. So if you're looking for something that you still want that grass feel, but saves a lot of water, this is going to be a great option for you. Now, Star Nursery, supposedly, at the time of this filming, they should start carrying it in their stores sometime soon. Right now, it's only available online as far as I understand it, but again, we'll go to retail outlets at some point, but it's called Kurapia. We'll put it on the screen. You can take a look at it. Really impressed with what they're doing. This community is planning on putting it in more areas. Right now, it's just kind of a test run. They wanted to see if it worked, and they are extremely happy with how well it has established itself so far, again, as a difference from artificial turf. And this is the great thing that the Southern Nevada Water Authority rebates provide, is that if you want to install artificial turf, you can install artificial turf. If you want to put in rocks or even pavers in some scenarios, you can do that. But if you want something that has some plant life, you can also do that as well. Go to SNWA.com. You can learn more about the process. If you still have grass, man, this is an excellent option for you. Would encourage you to take a look at Kurapia.